So imagine this. You're pulling up to a red carpet event in a minivan. Yeah, I know, doesn't sound like the usual power move, but this one, it talks to you. It sees you, and it basically turns your driveway into a tech showroom. This is the Faraday Future F.A.C.E Super 1, a futuristic minivan that's trying to outshine full-size luxury SUVs like the Cadillac Escalade, with sliding doors, zero-gravity seats, and a talking front grille. Yeah, we're going there. Now, before you roll your eyes at another EV startup, let's be real, Faraday Future has had a rocky ride. They've only delivered 16 of their FF91 flagships since last year. But now, with $105 million in new funding, they're coming back with something way more grounded. A tech-packed minivan based on a Chinese platform, but with some big American aspirations. So what exactly is this thing? The F.A.C.E Super 1 is built off the Wey Gaoshan, a Chinese MPV from Great Wall Motors. But Faraday gave it a serious glow-up. We're talking blacked-out trim, 20-inch alloys, and the showpiece, a digital front grille called F.A.C.E, or Front AI Communication Ecosystem. Now, F.A.C.E isn't just a display for smiley faces or inspirational quotes. It literally talks to you. It reacts to your voice, gives visual cues, and acts like a co-pilot. If Knight Rider had a modern reboot, this is what Kit would be driving your kids to soccer practice in. And if you're not into all that AI flair, don't worry, they'll offer a regular grille too. Inside, the F.A.C.E Super 1 leans deep into luxury. You'll have options for 4, 6, or 7 seats. But the top-shelf GOAT edition, that one's a full-on rolling mansion. Picture this, a retractable panoramic display, Dolby Atmos sound, zero-gravity seats, and materials that feel more private jet than family van. Faraday even claims this could be a mobile live stream studio, an AI-powered office on wheels, or just a super comfy car for golfers. You know, priorities. At launch, the F.A.C.E Super 1 will be all-electric with dual motors and all-wheel drive. Later, they'll add what they're calling an AI hybrid extended range version, basically a fancy way of saying e-REV, or extended range EV. Underneath, it still rides on the Gaoshan's high-strength steel platform, but it's been adapted for EV duty. And size-wise, this thing is huge. It is just over 212 inches long with a 129-inch wheelbase. That's Escalade territory, but with more room inside and sliding doors. Faraday even took a little jab at the Caddy, saying it has less interior space and no AI integration. Faraday's goal here isn't just families. They're going after celebrities, entrepreneurs, influencers, you name it. In their presentation, they showed it being used as a red carpet cruiser, a glamper's ride, and even a mobile clubhouse. Now look, we've heard bold promises from Faraday before, but if this actually launches, and that's a big if, they're aiming for early 2026 with US assembly in California and 50% local parts. Pre-orders are open now for just $100, refundable. So yeah, a minivan might not scream dream car, but when it's loaded with AI, full of screens, and gunning for Escalade buyers, suddenly, it doesn't sound so boring anymore. Faraday's betting big on the F.A.C.E Super 1 being the smart luxury people mover of the next wave. The only question? Will they finally deliver? Literally. If you're into EVs, AI tech, or just want to see what happens when startups think big, hit like and subscribe.
Hello, everybody. I'm Cody Walker, and I'd love to let's go ahead and break down what makes the F.A.C.E Super 1 a game changer. And just so that you all know, what we are sharing tonight is only just the beginning. Number one, this is a whole new category. This is the world's first-class EAI MPV, bringing real new value to the world of mobility. Number two, it's more than a car. This is your vehicle EAI agent, your avatar. It's like a smart co-pilot that actually understands you. This ride doesn't just move with you, it moves with purpose, in sync with how you live and feel. Number three, full cycle active safety. We're talking full body intelligence, high strength steel frame, full-time electric all-wheel drive, and AI that predicts and prevents. So it's peace of mind on 4 wheels, always watching your back. Number 4, it's AI luxury meeting the ultimate in comfort. It's not just a premium interior. It's your own private clubhouse on wheels. It senses, thinks, adjusts, turning every ride into something smooth, smart, and seriously dialed in. And number 5, tech luxury without the 6-figure price tag. Yes, this does pack core features from the FF91, but this is luxury that is actually within reach. You've got high performance, low running costs, and a price-to-value ratio that honestly shouldn't be possible. And we call that accessible AI tech luxury. So what about the tech and the features you actually will see, feel, and use every day when you drive your FX Super One? Here are the 10 things that really stood out to me. The first being, as you can see, the F.A.C.E literally will talk to you. The F.A.C.E system isn't just a screen. It sees you, listens, and talks back like a real co-pilot. It has a huge, flexible interior with tons of space to stretch out or can reconfigure, so whether that's kids gear, business, whatever life throws your way. Smart safety. It predicts problems before they happen. All-wheel drive and AI watching out from every angle. And you've got 2 power options. You've got an extended range or full electric. City drives or long trips, you're gonna be covered. Confident, responsive handling with all-wheel drive to give you a smooth, planted drive, rain or shine. 0 gravity seats, and they sound fancy because they are. They're super comfortable and endlessly adjustable. Always connected. With the EAI operating system, you get instant boot up, 5G, voice and gesture controls, and it works fast. You have your own chill zone inside with a smart fridge, huge screen, quiet interior, a rolling lounge, or a mobile office. It's your call. And it sees everything. With EAI driving, you have nearly 30 sensors keeping an eye on your surroundings. So it's like having a second set of eyes on the road, or 30 sets of eyes. It's not just another car, it's your own EAI agent, your companion to assist on your journey. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the menu here. The Super One's gonna come with 2 powertrain options. Like I said, you got pure electric and the world's first Super AI hybrid extended range version. Each one is available in 3 setups. You've got a 7-seater, a 6-seater, or the 4-seater GOAT edition. So whatever your crew looks like, there's gonna be a fit for you. And yes, I did say the GOAT edition. That's gonna be 4 seats, all in. This one's about space, comfort, and focus. You're gonna have a massive panoramic screen. You're gonna have a Dolby Atmos audio and an interior that feels more like a private lounge than a vehicle. It's fully enclosed, it's whisper quiet, and with premium tech and materials. This thing is seriously dialed in. It's the kind of setup made for people who spend a lot of time in transit and expect the ride to match the level that they're operating at. So that's the big picture, from everyday flexibility to full-on luxury. Now, let's go ahead and put FX Super One head-to-head with the Cadillac Escalade that was mentioned a little bit earlier. From this, it's easy to draw 3 conclusions. First, the Escalade is largely a status symbol for a select number of people, while the FX Super One is both suitable for the red carpet and for your family's next adventure. Second, the Escalade is all about old school brand value and overbuilt luxury. It's off-roadability, right? It's mostly wasted in urban life, like taking your kids to soccer practice and grabbing your coffee. The Escalade also has less interior room, no AI integration, no sliding doors. So the bottom line is it's not just tech for tech's sake. It's designed to make life on the move easier, safer, and a lot more comfortable. After introducing all the key product-related features, I would like to go through further together with Lindsay about how FX is a truly all-scenario intelligent luxury MPV. We'll deliver 8 signature user values tailored for 3 user core groups. Lindsay?
I hope my mic's, okay, there we go. Well, first, I believe FX Super One will be the perfect cars for celebrities and creators usage. So the FX Super One is the king of the red carpet, which was born for the spotlight. The ultimate preferred choice for A-list travel. 2, it's a mobile live stream studio, which is the perfect vehicle for content creation and brand promotion. And 3, it's also a champion's car, so there's supreme comfort that meets massive utility. It's a vehicle designed for elite athletes, helping them recover from the arena and stay at their peak even on the road.
For all of you shaping the world of business, let's talk about you road warriors out there. This is your own mobile AI office. Business meetups, this is your mobile AI private clubhouse. It's quiet, it's clean, and sharp enough to make a solid impression. And for you golfers out there, yeah, obviously there's plenty of room in the back for your clubs.
There is.
We know that matters.
Yes.
Very much. And what about families? I myself, I have 3 small children, and I haven't had the opportunity to put the Super One through a full family meltdown yet, but if it's a mobile mansion, if it can handle car seats, crumbs, and the "Are we there yet?" on repeat, I'm so totally down for this. It's also a glamper's car. When adventure calls, the FX Super One becomes your glamping partner. Open the doors to a mobile, open-air cinema, family karaoke setup, and a fully flat bed, turning every trip into a celebration of life. The bottom line, whatever your day throws at you, this thing's ready to roll with it.
Yeah, it really has everything.
Don't just take my word for it.